So now what I want to do is prevent users that aren't either the staff or an admin user to creating a post. It's a very slight change, but it's something that we definitely want to do. So in post create as well as update and delete, we're just going to come in here and say if request.user.isStaff or request.user.isSuperUser, then we can do stuff. Realistically, we'll say if not that or that, then we'll just raise an HTTP 404 error, which means we have to import that from HTTP. So I can just copy this and paste it in update as well as delete. Save that, refresh in here, and nothing seems to change. But if I go into an incognito window with Command Shift in and paste it in here, it gives me this 404 error, which is good. So that only means that staff users or admin users are able to change this stuff. So to actually add users, you could come in here and just add users at your will, and then just change staff or the super user status. You can change those things in there. So that's really, really basic permission stuff as far as how that is concerned. So the next part, if we go into posts, the next part might be author. So that is the user that actually does these things, that actually creates the article, and then maybe one that edits it as well, but we're just going to do one that creates it. So that's something we'll do in the next one.